Now guys, welcome to our subject review. So, you see, we have only in science. You see, I am only one that I can teach you in science, only in grade 6. Now let's get started. The first lesson. First lesson, you see the first lesson, and our first lesson in the science on grade 6 are the circulatory system. You see, we have a big circulatory system. Sorry for writing, cause I only wanted to use this for the marker whiteboard. Now let's erase this up. I use my tissue. Now let's get first is circulatory. Oh, we're gonna write it in very carefully. Circulatory. It's only circulatory. Circulatory is the second important. You see the second important or second important, very important parts of whole system. Now we're gonna restart the first lesson. Now we back to circulatory system. Circulatory system is the first you will need to learn in science. So what is the major parts of it? Major parts. Now we're gonna write it. Major parts. Yeah, the major parts that you will need in circulatory, or we should say it's only parts. Now let's get to the parts that we'll need in circulatory. Number 1. You see, the number 1 is blood. Blood is more important to our body cells. The blood that it delivers the nutrients, or it carries or delivers to our body cells. You see, the blood is very important in the body, or the major parts of this circulatory system. And it not only go to the without a tube like. Now we have in the second, that's you hear the tube like, that is the blood vessels or vessels. The blood vessels is that the tube like that it passage to the blood, or we should say the wire. You see the green. Sorry for the quality of camera, but you see that's the wire in our body, or it has a different size and different thickness. It has a thin and thick. See the blood vessels. That's very important to the blood. And don't you think that it has a white blood cells? That's very important. Now we have to number 3. What did you think is number 3, or the last part that we need to learn in science, in major parts of circulatory system? It is heart. Thanks. Heart is the most important in our body or circulatory system, because the heart is when I'm slushing the heart, and our blood will stop pumping, or the heart will stop pumping, and you see when dead body, and you see the dead body, and you see this just like this, the blood vessels, and this the blood, and it continue follows. It's alive. But when it stop, you see, when it stop, the blood to flows in our body, you will dead, or it's that dead. Yeah. So you see, when we are donated blood, it will be, or get some blood, you see our hands, and it searching for wires. Then it will be inject and get some blood. So that's it. Are important. So it's very interesting. Blood vessels. Now I gonna make a Tagalog version. Here it is. It's not really much, so good luck. Okay? Ito ang part or the major parts. The one is the blood, or we should say a dugo in Filipino. Dugo. The dugo or the blood is much important or pinakamahalaga na parte or part of our circulatory system o circulatory system. Because it pag hindi na siya na flows or not flows, it will be dead. That's more important. And next is the blood vessels. The blood vessels is more important because that's where it flows, or the blood where it passage, or kung saan nagpa-passage ang isang dugo. Ang susunod ay ang heart, or we should say the heart. The heart is very important, or it is producing some oxygen, carbon dioxide, but it's not really true. It's only oxygen, and it products the blood, or yung nagpa-production ng blood, kasi pag ano ba yun? What's that? It will be dead when it slash our heart. Yeah! Oh! My heart is slashed! So that's very important, or pinaka-importante na blah. So thanks for watching for our tutorial lesson 1 in science.